Yeah,
Hi, this is Steve Gervais. Turn down the stereo. Opening my new camera. It's a Hewlett Packard. I got the model number here. T250 camcorder. And here's a receipt. Be careful opening the box because you'll cut your stuff or yourself. There. They're all packed in there. Yeah, it's not very big. It looks a lot bigger than just a little guy. Oopsie. There we go. HP T250 camcorder. Full HD, high definition. 20 times zoom, 16 megapixel still, 3-inch touchscreen. Let's see here. Oh, got a sticker on there. Sticker. Well, that's a heavy-duty sticker there. Whoopsie. Oh. There we go. Yeah, just a little guy.
wow.
Camera's in the pouch. We got here. Oh yeah, I can see everything. There's the camera. Nice little pouch. Belt loop on it. Just a little guy. It's got a hand strap on it. Yeah, this is a one-handed camera. You can just...
Right.
Yeah. You don't need two hands.
Right.
Yep. Very nice camera. Awesome. What a camera.
Right.
Make sure it's got everything that comes with it. USB plug. A Canadian US plug adapter. Wall plug. Oh, plug for old TVs. HDMI cable. You plug it into high definition TVs. Oh, there's the battery. Lithium battery. Lithium ion battery. And I'm hoping they gave me a chip to go with it. Oh, this is the plug. Wall plug adapter. And the cheapos, they didn't give me a... They're supposed to... sometimes they give you a memory chip. A free memory chip. But I bought one already, so... Yep. It's all there. And there's the CD. Editing software. Yeah. You can do all kinds of stuff on your computer with it. And it also has the manual on it too.
Right.
The manual. Yeah. There we go. Hewlett Packard digital camcorder. Cool. Goodbye for now.